Guys, hey guys, I came to eat at La Lechonera Gaby. I got roasted pork, which is pernil, yuca, arroz con gandule, everything for $10. So delicious. This is a meal for two, pretty much. And it included the water. So in fact, the meal was less than $10. Lechonera Gaby here in Puerto Rico. If you get the chance to come by, just come by and visit them. I'm gonna put the address in the description, but completely worth it. It's my last day here in Puerto Rico, so I'm trying to enjoy every single second. Have a good one, guys. Bye.